Hello everybody!
Ameerikast pärit selgeltnägija Viit Mano, kes sai kuulsaks Venemaa saatest Selgeltnägijate tuleproov, käib juba 2 aastat Eestis, jagades kallistusi ja nõu ning abi neile, kes tema võimetesse usuvad. Selgeltnägemine polevat aga üldse nii erakordne võime, kui arvatakse. Seda saab õppida mist igaüks.
The first step of being an extrasense is to learn where you are in balance and face it. Don't run away from it. Maybe there's jealousy in your heart. Maybe there's anger in your heart. In Estonia, there's a lot of loneliness in the heart. There's a lot of hidden pain. There's a lot of feeling that nobody really cares for me as deep as I need it. So when you start to become extrasense, you have to first be able to feel the negative.
Seejärel tuleb kõik see negatiivsete tunnete pundar endast välja saada.
Get a pillow.
Yeah.
And to scream out, rah, rah, scream out their emotions for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just take the pillow with the arms up and scream and make a sound and scream and rah, 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 rah. You look happy, yeah. It's expressing because it's extremal energy. You're going to the extreme and you feel better.
Pärast rahmeldamist ja karjumist jätkub õppetund, kuidas saada selgeltnägijaks kergetantsuga, mis on maailmakuulsa õpetaja sõnul vajalik selleks, et energia enda juurde tagasi tuua.
So that the energy is happy, you trust your body, all the expressions that want to come with it, yeah. You want to do that and you just want to look good. You feel your feet grounded to the earth so you can touch.
Suured pingutused selgeltnägijaks saamise teekonnal selja taga on minu nägemine sama selge kui varem. Muutusi ei ole. Ja siis selgub tõsiasi.
It's not like you just like one day wake up and you know everything, solve everything. It's not real. People want a very fast magic. You have to work at things. Like if you want to go learn something simple thing, like to be an accountant or an engineer, people will spend 4 years, 6 years in the university. They don't wait to the engineering skill. They work to learn it. It's the same with exercise. You have to work to every day open your energy deeper and deeper and deeper. All this ideas of the magic and the curses is not true.
Muidugi ei saa me maailmakuulsa selgeltnägija juurest lahkuda ilma selleta, et Mano võimeid oma silmaga näha. Selleks näitame talle 3 Eesti avaliku elu tegelast ja palume talle öelda, millega need inimesed praegu igapäevaselt tegelevad. Esimese pildi peal on 7 uudiste reporter Sven Soiver.
When you would have to say his profession, you would say that he's somebody who...
A communicator. He's communicating. He's doing communicating. He's sharing with people. And he's involved with his intellectual life.
Järgmise pildi peal aga napilt Riigikogusse pääsenud endine ajakirjanik Viktoria Ladõnskaja. Tema ametit välja selgitades jääb Mano pikalt mõttesse.
To me, I feel her more like in the area of a stylist. Something with approach to beauty.
So you would say that she's a stylist? A designer?
No, she has this kind of quality. I think she could be on TV somewhere. But that's all that I get. I don't have more right now.
3. pildi peal on spordihoos endine rahandusminister Jürgen Ligi.
Something even he could be in health, he could be in government even. I'm not picking up exactly where. I feel he's got more the executive kind of an energy.
Seega arvas Mano õigesti ära 3-st 2 inimese elukutse. Mees tunnistab, et ka selgeltnägijatel ei ole iga kord õiget vastust olemas.
Extrasense means that you feel more and you have a deeper perception. It doesn't mean that you know everything in the world. And people who do that, for me, they're basically wrong all the time. So for me, when I feel something, I work with it and I go with it. If I don't know something, I'll ask somebody. And we'll work together. It's like solving a puzzle.
Kui suured väljakutsed ootavad maailmakuulsad selgeltnägijad, hooaja esimeses Appi tuleb selgeltnägija saates, kus mees peab aitama 19-aastast neidu, keda vaevavad suured tervisehädad, selgub juba täna õhtul.
Mis edasi saad mul?
Kas Manol õnnestub raske liigesehaiguse ja kasvajaküüsis vaevlev noor naine terveks ravida?
That's a mystery that everybody's going to have to watch.
Lisaks Manole panevad täna õhtul kõik oma võimed proovile ka Aljona Orlova ja Ilona Kaldre. kelle ülesandeks on lahendada mullu septembris kogu Eestit vapustanud 23-aastase Ekaterina ja tema elukaaslase kadumise ja mõrvalugu. Millise lõpu saab see traagiline müsteerium, selgub juba täna õhtul kohe peale 7 uudiseid.